Right now, the eyes of the world are on the Middle East. As the conflict between Israel and Iran intensifies, the United States is making a bold move, sending more fighter jets into the region. And this isn't just a routine deployment. We're talking F-16S, F-22S, even the advanced F-35S, all heading to strategic locations in the Middle East. So, why is this happening and what does it mean? Let's break it down. Here's the context. Israel launched its largest ever air campaign against Iran just a few days ago, claiming Iran was close to developing a nuclear weapon. Iran, on the other hand, says it's only pursuing nuclear technology for peaceful reasons, pointing to its rights under the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. But after Israel's strikes, tensions have skyrocketed. Now, the US has nearly 40,000 troops already stationed in the Middle East. They've got air defense systems, fighter jets, and warships, basically, a serious military presence. But with the stakes rising, American officials have decided to bolster those forces even further. According to US officials, the new deployments are defensive. These fighter jets aren't there to start a fight, they're there to protect. Their job is to shoot down drones, intercept missiles, and defend both US and allied forces if things escalate. Think of it as putting up a bigger shield, not swinging a sword. But it's not just about fighter jets. The US is also moving tanker aircraft. Those are the planes that refuel jets in mid-air into Europe, and there's talk of sending even more Navy warships to the Eastern Mediterranean. Some of those ships are capable of shooting down ballistic missiles, adding another layer of protection. All of this gives the US president and military leaders more options as they navigate this crisis. The idea is to be ready for any scenario, whether it's defending allies, protecting American troops, or responding if Iran or Iran-aligned groups take action. The Pentagon hasn't said much publicly yet, but officials are clear about one thing. These moves are about defense, not offense. They want to deter attacks, prevent things from spiraling out of control, and reassure partners in the region. This is a rapidly changing situation, and the decisions being made now could shape the Middle East for years to come. As always, I'll keep watching and breaking things down for you, so you don't have to wade through the headlines alone. If you want to stay updated on this story and others like it, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.